Positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at an age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my fountain of youth technique. But before that, your word of the day is harmony. Mind, body, and spirit is trying to bring everything into balance. That happy Aquarius is an effective Aquarius. You're very cultured. You're about to take another trip around the world, meaning you're going to meet so many different people that cannot wait to meet you, that's going to learn from you, but also they're going to teach you certain things that they've known from their background that's going to help excel you to the next place. So you may be in Japan tomorrow, you could be in India next week, you could be in South America, Africa, you could be anywhere in the world, but you're going to attract people like honey, like bees to honey, because that's your personality. But we need you to be in harmony, happiness. I need you to have a prayer life, meditation life. Go out into the elements, take the deep breath, enjoy the positive energy that calms your spirit. Whichever your version is, where you communicate and you are one with the universe, with energy, with Lord God, Spirit, universe, source, energy, Jesus Christ. Spend that time. Read your favorite books, eat your favorite food, do your favorite workouts. Make sure that you are happy, because that's going to transcend and actually take you so many places that you can't even imagine. People are just going to be throwing opportunities at you. I open myself to the divine being within me, which is so beautiful. I am the image of God. Wow. Aquarius, you are the image of God, the all-powerful being. Everything belongs to you. Everything's going to go your way, and everyone loves you and supports you, and going to make sure you get to the things that you want, deserve, and where you want to go. I have the power to bring light into my life. You control that. I turn my darkness in me into something beautiful. You turn strengths to weaknesses, darkness to light. Only by keeping a positive attitude and walking in your positivity, walking in your harmony, walking in your happiness, not focusing in on the darkness. You may have darkness around you, but you don't give it any glory. You don't give it any attention. You say, oh, this time shall pass, and this darkness will dim and transcend into light. In the absence of anger, resentment, and doubt, I find harmony. We are magnets. Rules of the universe are, if you have negative energy, which carries a huge weight, anger, resentment, guilt, unforgiveness, we're going to get more lessons where we're in trials and tribulations, which teaches us how we need to let go of these things, why it's not important. It's going to feel like a hard life. We're in survival mode. But positivity, love, inspiration, motivation, these things carry blessings that's coming to you that will feel weightless. Skill carries a weight, but it's going to feel weightless, where you enjoy your life, where blessings instead of trials and tribulations and lessons come your way. You're going to find that blessings and breakthroughs come through staying positive. Stay in harmony, stay in your peace, stay happy, and watch how your new season blossoms. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page be a blessing to you.